Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ron and I want to take you through how you connect your M9 sound card to your phone. If you want to do live streaming, TikTok lives, YouTube lives. So this is what you do. First of all, this is our sound card. It's the M9 sound card and it has several ports right here behind and we are going to connect together. So first of all, we have the condenser mic ports. These are the ports for the microphones. We have the two ports for the headsets and the earphone. Then we have a backtracking track port. This will be used in case you're playing music. And we have these two ports. These are the ones you connect if you have a phone that has a pin, an aux port, so you can connect the pin to pin. Then we have OTG stroke PC Live. This is the one for connecting uh, your PC or a phone that uses Type-C or an iPhone. This is the one for charging. So what we are going to do is we are going to connect our headset first. Yes, we are going to connect our headset like this in the port of the headset. Then we are going to, okay, so we are going to turn on our sound card. It's rechargeable, so don't worry about the battery. It's rechargeable, completely rechargeable. And we are going to connect to us now. So we have the port for the microphone. We are going to connect the microphone. We are going to connect the microphone like this. So our microphone is connected. We have the volume for the microphone here. We can regulate it like this. We increase or reduce the volume of the microphone. Then we have the volume for the monitor. This is like a general overall volume. Then we have the backtracking track. This is the one that controls the background music. So it has Bluetooth, so you can connect another device onto it via Bluetooth, or you can connect music via the backtracking track. Okay, so what we are going to connect next is the so if you want to connect our phone, we have two options. If the phone has an aux cable, an aux port here, right here, we are going to use the pin to pin. So in case your phone is this kind of phones that has an aux port, you can put pin to pin. You put the pin in the phone, then you put the pin here, right here, either here or here. In case your phone uses a type C, like this phone, we are going to use a C to C cable. So we are going to connect the C to C cable. Sorry about that. We are going to put the C to C cable here. Then we are going to connect it like this. Then you go into the camera option. You go to your camera because you're going to be recording a video and audio. So when you start recording, actually you can see here, if you start recording, it will show recording through USB mic. So it will start recording and everything I'll be speaking here, I'll get the audio right here on the phone. Yeah. So that's how you connect the M9 sound card to your phone. And I told you if you want to play background music, you connect to, you'll use the Bluetooth. You go to your Bluetooth, search for M9, then you connect and play the music. Thank you for watching.